How to set password or app lock on your Google Drive. First of all, you have to navigate to your device setting. Under your device setting, you have to scroll down and go for your app or manage app here. Here you have to search for the drive here. Once you have successfully searched for the drive, here you have to take the app permission. Once the app permission is all allowed, you have to just go back. And after that, here you have to just go for the app lock option. Just scroll down and go for the app lock here. Search for the app lock and go for the app lock. And here you have to enter your password or you can place your fingerprint on your screen. After that, you have to search for the application that you want to set password or app lock. Just go and enable here. After enabling or setting password, just go and open up your drive. And here you will see that you have successfully set a password to open up your Google Drive. After that, you can enter your password or use your biometric fingerprint to open up your drive here. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.